Recording in progress.
We continue with our methods and theory. Today we want to talk about participant and non-participant observation. So for participant observation, what does that imply? It means that you are trying to develop an understanding from the point of view of those that you want to observe. That is participant observation. So the researcher becomes an observer at the same time participating so that he or she can understand why and what makes those that are behaving that way they are behaving. Do you get it? No. For participant observation, this simply means that research is going on, but this research involves the researcher being involved in the group.
Yes.
So that means you want to see things from the point of view of those being observed.
Yeah.
That is participant observation. Yes. So here I wrote, participant observation is used to develop an understanding of the world from the point of view of the researcher. So this means researchers put themselves in the same position as those that they are researching. That is participant observation. Yes. So we have 3 stages to participant observation. We have getting in, getting out, getting in, staying in, and getting out. So we're going to start with getting in. So when we talk about getting in, I wrote, this is the stage at which the researcher joins the group. That is the stage at which the researcher joins the group. So joining that group, then you have to decide as a researcher, as an observer, if you want to go covert or overt. So that is the stage you have to adopt a style or a system, because you are a new person, you are new into that group. So it is important. Questions will come based on the fact that you have not been part of that group before. So being part of that group now makes you to be like a new member. So now you have to decide if you have to come out to unveil your identity or you keep your identity. That is when, so if you are unveiling your identity to the group, it means you are using overt system. And if you are not revealing your identity, you are concealing it to yourself, then that is covert system. I think it's clear.
Yes.
So as soon as you have chosen the style you want to use, if it is overt or covert, then it is important for you to be familiar with the group. And being familiar with the group means you need to keep a relationship with members, strong members in that group. Those are what we call the gatekeepers. They are the ones that own the group. So whatever they say, they listen to them. The other members in the group listen to them. So we call them gatekeepers. So you have to find a way of building a relationship with them. So because they are the ones that are going to, put you through to the group. Is it clear?
Yes.
So now that is done, as soon as you are into the group, the next stage is staying in that group. That is a big work. Why? Because you need to gain the trust of members. And that is the only way they will be able to tell you things you need to know. And that is the only way they will continue to participate in that research. Do you get the point here? So staying in needs you to gain the trust of other members. And that is the only way, and that's the only reason that they will participate or be in that group. If not, they won't participate.
So staying in is all about
gaining the trust.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Then that takes us to getting out. Getting out is when the researcher or the observer is leaving the group. But when you are leaving the group, you must not destroy the relationship. You must not damage the relationship you've created with the group. And you must be objective and not impartial with your accounts. So whatever information you have to write, it must not be you must not be partial about it. And there must be accurate accounts. And you must, at the end of it all, keep the identity of members. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, we go to covert and overt participant observation. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So for covert and overt participant observation, here I wrote, covert participant observation. That's the first one. The group doesn't know that they are being observed. the group doesn't know that they are being observed. They see the researcher as a new member of the group. That's when you are using covert participant observation. You are a covert observer. The group will see you as a new member. That's how they see you. So this means that the truth about your identity is being concealed. You're not telling them the true identity about you, and they don't know the reasons why you are there. The reasons why you are there.
Also, overt, you tell them why you're there.
Yeah, I
You
said
tell
that
them
already.
You're observing.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So for covert, you've concealed your identity. They don't know about your identity. They don't know the reason why you're there. They see you as a new member. Clear?
Yes.
So, but the advantage about using covert system is that it is useful when you are investigating or researching about crime or deviance.
To be more valid.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So when you are investigating crimes or deviance, that gives you ample opportunity to know more about what you need to know. But the problem about covert system is that you as an observer, you might have to participate in those illegal things they do or those unpleasant things they do. If not, questions will come about, you are a member, why are you not doing this? You know already that this is what we are. So why are you segmenting yourself from us? Why are you being remote to us? Do you understand? Yeah, so the questions will come, suspicion will come, and that could put the life of the observer in danger. Do you understand covert here? So, so whatever the group does, you have to participate. Be it illegal, be it unpleasant, you have to be there because you are part of the group. Since you've adopted covert style. So this means, okay, so observer must work hard to ensure that the identity and the purpose is not revealed. Do you understand? For covert, because you already said you are part of the group. So that is what each member will see you as, a new member. So you must work hard to ensure that your identity is not revealed. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we go to overt role. For overt, this means the group is aware that research is taking place. That is overt here. The group knows that you are not a member. You are there for research. And they already know that there is research taking place.
Yeah.
So the participant observer may well introduce themselves and state the purpose of the observation. So as soon as you come into the group, through the gatekeeper, you introduce yourself, you tell them the purpose of the observation. So the benefit is that researcher may be able to ask questions or interview people, and the participant observer doesn't need to get involved in illegal or unpleasant thing done in the group. So because you've unveiled your real identity, so you don't have to participate in those illegal things or unpleasant things they do. You are only there to understand why it's been done, and you need information about it.
Yes.
Do you understand? So as a result of that, you have opportunity to ask questions, do interview, because you are known already that you are an observer. Is it clear?
Sometimes it feels like focus group, right? This observation. When it's over.
If it is focus group, here you're talking about identifying certain group of people from the population to talk about or to observe or to make research upon. It's different. There you're talking about this group based on a certain topic. But here we're talking about based on the behavior of that group. You are there, you are observing in a natural scenario. Focus group is not natural, it's based on views of people about what they think about certain topic. That is focus group. But participant observation. Here we're talking about observing people from their natural settings.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Yeah.